supposed to be relevant. Abduction has got nothing to do with AU. Abduction has got nothing to do with Raila Odinga. Raila Odinga is not the president of Kenya. Raila Odinga is not the CS of Interior to talk about abduction. It was very wrong of you to ask such kind of question. In as much Raila is silent, there are some people who can talk about it. We know what, if you go to a dictionary, we know what abduction means. We've been there. If we go back to 2017, 2022, when real abduction was taking place. After being abducted, tortured, your body was being dumped at Muguga, at Raila. We can give an example of abduction of one Chris Musandu. Compare it with the Gen Z abduction. I'm not saying abduction is taking place, but there's something going on that we don't know about this abduction. People are being abducted. When they come out, they are very healthy, even very healthy. No torture, very clean, their phone fully charged. I'm not saying the abduction is taking place, and whoever is in charge of those abductions, please grow up. We are Kenyans. Let abduction stop. Let us find another thing to talk about. Something like basic needs, our education system, our health system. Let us criticize Ruto on those things.